How to download Riot clients. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to download Riot client games on your PC or laptop, here's what you need to do. So first thing, open up any of your browser and simply search in for Riot client download, which will take you to the first page, or you can just tap on this logo option that is Riot Games, which is the official website of Riot Games. So simply tap on the first link over here. So once you're inside here, you just have to scroll all the way down until you see any of the games. So you can basically tap on any of the games that you like to first download. And to download Riot Games client to your PC, you must select any of the games first, and which will take you to the game page. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. So once you're inside here, just tap on this play for free button over here, which will take you to the next page, which will be your sign in page. You just have to sign in with your account, and it will automatically give you or provide you with the link to actually download the Riot Games client, and you can simply tap on the download button to successfully download the Riot Games client. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.